Well, good morning. I'm Jack and this is Log Cabin Firewood. Today we are over at my buddy Zach's and we have a little bit of locust and cherry. There's some more behind me. There's some more back over here. We're gonna get this cut up and try and get some of it out of here today. Stick around. So hello everybody and welcome. I want to say thanks to everybody that stuck around with me through all the stuff that we had to do at the house. You know, dealing with the well, dealing with the shed, dealing with the pad. You know, I tried to pump something out for you every week just to let you know what was going on in my life. And that's basically what this channel is about, is just documenting a little bit about what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. And this week we're back to Firewood. And from the looks of it, it's going to be the next week or so. I have decided to start hoarding rounds at the cabin. I thought about this over the summer and I never actually did it. But this go round I am going to start hoarding a bunch of rounds. I do have wood going out continuously. I sold another cord this morning. So that is 6 cords that have left the property now. I've only got 4 left. I had 12 ready to go this season. I keep 20 for myself. 10 for this season and 10 that is seasoning for next season. And the 2 cords, if you did the math right, the other 2 cord, I'm keeping those for bundlewood. That way I have a continuous supply of bundlewood, because there are a few folks that have been stopping by on the weekend mornings that don't necessarily need a 1/3 of a cord or a full cord. They just want to take the chill off their house and maybe sit there and have their coffee in front of the fireplace. I hope everybody's been well, and again, just thank you for hanging out with me. This is awesome. We are coming up on 1,000 subscribers though also. Got a little change in my pocket going jing-a-ling-a-ling. I mentioned something about some bartering items that are going to come into play. So definitely keep an eye on that. I think at the making of this video, I'm just over 900 subs, which is awesome. Thank you guys. You rock. Enough chatting. I'm going to get cutting. I am going to back up just a touch more, and I'm going to start loading up what I can so I'm not tripping over all this stuff. I will be taking the cookies with me as well. My buddy Rich, he has a boiler. I don't have a boiler yet, so I'm not going to start planning for cookies for myself. But he's got a boiler, and I'm sure he will be more than happy to accept this premium locust and cherry. been a while since I've cut in a pile like this. Such good wood. At first I told my buddy I wasn't interested because I had to pay a toll to get back into my county. And it's crazy because I'm only 15 minutes away from my house. But this was definitely worth it. I'm gonna save this for my wood. This is gonna keep me warm because this is the best that you can get. Cherry and locust, primo wood. Half of this pile is in the trailer. I can't decide if I want to go up there and start cutting on that since it's some bigger stuff, and I won't have to throw it as far in the trailer to stack it up. I'm probably going to just come over here on this backside and start working on this stuff. It's getting a little tiresome working in the front. There's a bunch of limb wood in there. Be much easier if I had a tractor. One day I'll get a tractor. Well, we got the trailer loaded up. This pile is almost gone. There's a little bit here. I will play with this tomorrow. I think I'm going to take off work because there's probably 2 loads left over here. I got this one behind me, and I got that over there, and then there is another pile up top of the hill that we still have to get. And then I've got cookies here. That other pile is up there. But that's going to be it for today. I'll see you here again tomorrow.